All right, another top 75 Series 1. What do we got? What do we got? Here we go. Let's run through these. Vaughn. Phillies, National League. You know, I had some... There was some Shoheis in the other one, but I don't think they're really that... I mean, nothing like special or whatever. I have been... The cards that I don't like, most of my students just take them, which is good. Someone uses them, or someone, appreciates them. I do save a lot of them, but the ones that I don't, or any like doubles, I just give away to them. They like them, baseball, football, basketball, whatever. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Nolan McLean, I like that. Year 2 for him this year. Definitely gotta save that one. All right. What's that? Jackson Holiday. I like that one. Cole Young. Ooh, who's that? That's a Mike Trout there. Ooh, Juan Soto. There you go. And then we got Trout. Titans of the game. Mike Trout. All right. Some cool ones. Definitely keeping this. Soto. All right, what do we got here? Top 75. 2026 Series 1. Yankees, Dodgers. Not really too sure what to expect here. Let's see what we got. Here we go. Cosman. Trout. Acosta, Batista, Trey Turner, Jorge Soler, Uber, Marcelo Meyer. Like that. That's pretty sick. I like that one. American League leaders. Matt Strom, Otto Kemp, Bryce Matthews, Palencia, Bogarts, Joe Rock, Shohei, designated hitter, Baez, Manaea, Birdsong, Future Stars, Slugger's Power, Profar, Rice, Kobe Thomas, Warner. Oh, what is that? Cam Devaney, rookie. Another Shohei, pitcher / designated hitter. We got a Mookie. Ooh, look at that. Titans of the game, Mookie. Then we got a Vladdy.